Hi guys, welcome back to Eat Geek Sleep Repeat, and in today's video we are going to be doing a comic book haul at Forbidden Planet. Let's go. Alright guys, we're here at Forbidden Planet. Let's go see what we find. This is what I got from Forbidden Planet. Now, let's go take a look. We are going to start off with the amp suit with the RDA driver. This is what it looks like from the front. And the price was $4.99, originally $24.99, so it went down quite a lot. Now, let's have to open it. This is what the mech suit looks like. Here is the mech. Arms flexible. Pretty sure the legs are as well. Yep. Here's the knife. Not sure if you could see it, but it is quite small. Here we are. I unboxed the gun, the mech's gun. Looks a bit crazy. Then we have an extra hand, which I'm not sure what that's for, but there's just an extra hand, I guess. And then there's the pilot, the driver. Here's the mech again, but I'm gonna show you how you open it. There we go. Now let's put the man inside. There it is. The men and the mech. Now it's time for the comic that I got. It is called Lost Planet, First Colony. It cost me £3 and was originally £9. And what attracted me to this book was, well, the back really, because the monsters, and I just looked through it and I thought, yeah, why not? Now for the one that I've been waiting for, Nirvana and the Banshee. This one is just one of my favorites because why not? It's got a massive dragon in it. Now let's just cut straight to the unboxing. So this is the stand for the Banshee, and you basically plug that into here, which is like a little grass land. And then we have two little plants that stick into the ground as well. And then we also have this. Here we are. This is the result for the ground. And now for Nirvana. So Nirvana, I think her arms can move. Yep. Her arms can move, her legs can move. But we might want to keep them where they are. Yep. And then I'm pretty sure the head can move as well. Yeah, it can. And now for the final, the Banshee. These are how the wings can move. Only a little bit, but it's good enough for my liking. I don't think the bottom ones can move. And there we are. Wait a minute. How do you? Yes, hold on. Yes. Yes. So originally, all this cost me £5, but it was originally £22, and I can see why that is. But it is very much a bargain. The comic book is called Lost Planet First Colony, and it was £3. The mech was £5 and used to be hit 22. Nateri was £5, but used to be 22 also. I got this stuff from Forbidden Planet. My favourite purchase is the Nateri and Banshee. If you haven't already, go to Forbidden Planet Liverpool, and now excuse me whilst I go play with these. Bye.